So, as you guys know, I've made a shop both previous seasons on Lucid. They were all selling enchanted books, and I made quite a lot of diamonds from them. So guess what we are doing today? Yep, building another enchanted bookshop. The previous seasons I built a library and a bookshelf, both relating to books. But this season, I'm going to build, as you've seen from the title and thumbnail, an anvil. Now, since an anvil is gray, I decided to use deep slate, since it's gray and has a lot of variations. So I went mining for a few hours for it. I got a few stacks, which should be enough. Let's get to building. First, I make an outline of what I want to build with andesite. An anvil is 16 by 16 pixels long, but my permit is only for 8 blocks, so I have all the blocks. Now time to put in the deep slate. I think so many variations makes it a bit messy. Here, I put one variation of deep slate on each part of the anvil, which makes it look more clean. Now, it's time for the interior. Since it's not enough space here to build the shop, I need to dig down a bit. It has to look a little blacksmith-like, so I use dark oak. Now, that's the interior done. Of course, with a shop you always need stock. So I spend the next few days moving villagers in my base to get the desired enchants. I now have a few villagers for the enchantments. I still need a few more and I will do them off camera. That's the end of the video, hope you enjoyed.